This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Let me explain to you the best way to put ads into your app. Now, you might know already that I'm not a big fan of ads, but there are some ways that you can put the ads into your app that makes sense. And this is rewarded video ads. What that means is, let me give you an example. Let's say you have a game or any other thing and people need more points. What are their options? Sometimes their options are like you can buy more points, right? But most people don't take that option. And because of that, most people struggle in the game and quit. Or struggle in your app, even if it's not a game, and then they quit. What you can do to supplement the in-app purchase is to say, hey, if you don't want to make the in-app purchase, you can still get the points if you just watch the video. Here's a video ad for 30 seconds, or 15 seconds, watch it, and get more points, or get free things in the app, right? And in every app, there's some things, it's digital. So there's something you can keep on giving away for free that you might have otherwise decided to charge for, right? And even if a person is watching an ad and it's like a few cents, but they keep watching and watching and using your app and using your app, then over time, this person is going to have more engagement, be more likely to give you a good review, and they're going to generate revenue for you. So the rewarded video ads are the best way that you can make money with ads in your app. If it's a game, it's easy to figure out how to configure this into your app. You just give more points. If it's not a game, it's harder to make it a part of your app because you don't have points. But maybe you can think of what you can give away for free. In my example of my apps, I'm starting to work on giving away free content, okay? And by the way, I'm working on making a list of 50 things you can do to improve your business, right? In every 5 things, or every 5, or every 10, or every 1, I can say, hey, if you want, this is a premium article, but if you want more tips, watch an ad. And then a lot of people will do that. These are people who wouldn't pay for the thing, right? They wouldn't pay for it, but they can generate revenue for you just by simply watching an ad. So this is a really fine and good strategy.